I tried Sovryn Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Sovryn Wallet app, I didn't expect much beyond the usual DeFi features. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Sovryn might be one of the most powerful Bitcoin native wallets in the game. On day 1, setup was smooth, no central login, no kick, just full control of your keys. Sovryn is built on the Rootstock network, which brings smart contracts to Bitcoin. That means you can lend, borrow, and trade all while staying anchored to Bitcoin security. By day 2, I started exploring yield farming. I was able to earn interest on BEES and stablecoins directly through the app. Most people get this wrong. They think DeFi is only for Ethereum, but Sovryn proves that Bitcoin can do DeFi too. By day 4, I tried borrowing against my Bitcoin. The process was simple, fast, and fully decentralized. No middlemen, no approvals, just collateral and code. By day 6, I realized how deep Sovryn's ecosystem goes. The app integrates staking, liquidity pools, and even governance, letting users vote on the platform's evolution. Everything runs smoothly, with clear stats and transparent rewards. By the 7th day, the shocking truth was clear. Sovryn isn't trying to compete with Ethereum, it's bringing DeFi to Bitcoin in a way that feels natural and powerful. If you've ever wanted to put your Bitcoin to work without sacrificing security, Sovryn Wallet is a serious contender. It's more than a wallet, it's a gateway into decentralized finance built directly on the world's most trusted blockchain.